How to upload images to Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to upload images to Roblox. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up your web browser and you need to go over to roblox.com. Hit enter and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, you want to go ahead and tap on the uh, create option right over here. Tap on it. Then you need to go over to your creations on the left-hand side. From your creations, you can find different tabs up top. Go to development items. And then from here, you want to go over to decals. You can also find the images tab here. So for that, you need to go ahead and go to decals first, upload images, scroll down and click on upload asset. Now, as you can see here, the file type can be a JPEG, PNG, TGA, BMP, and the max size is 20 megabytes. Click on Upload Assets and click on Upload Image here. Select any image from here, so I'll just go ahead and select this for now. And once that is done, you can just click on Upload. You can add a name and description as well. Once you click on upload, it should be uploaded to your Roblox creations as a decal. Now you can also find this on your normal Roblox. So from here, you want to go ahead and click on the drop down and then open up Roblox. I'm going to go to roblox.com from the left hand side. Then you can easily find your images here as well. Go to Marketplace. And then go over to the home screen here. And then on the left hand side from this menu, go to Inventory. And you need to find decals over here and you'll find your uploaded image. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.